let's put a stop to the number one time killer and profit killer for all of the health coaches, NDs, MDs, nurse practitioners, all of y'all. Okay, let's put a stop to the number one time and profit killer. I call it health procrastination, right? So it's procrastination, but it's you health pros. It's like, you have something to share. Like, that you have something that you could put people into a group program and like the stuff that you do one-on-one, but you could put them into a group program and you're stalling. Okay, you have proof that what you do works and you're stalling to get it out in the world. Okay, I get it. It could be super overwhelming. You're going to make a laundry list of all the things that you think you need to do in order to put yourself in front of a group of people that would benefit from your knowledge. Okay, I've been at this for over 10 years now. I've helped huge brands like Amy Myers and Dr. Sarah Gottfried and Chris Kresser and JJ Virgin, Metagenics, you name it, like big names. But my passion over the past 3 years has been, how do I bring all of the things that I've learned in helping those brands? How do I bring it to hometown health heroes like you? Okay. And so I've talked to big names and I've talked to everyday health heroes. Okay. And if there's anything that I've seen, it's that you overcomplicate what needs to happen for you to share your amazing expertise with more people who need you at a more cost-effective price point, right? I hear you guys complain like, oh, people don't want to pay for my one-on-one packages. Great. Well, if you had a consult with them and they couldn't afford your one-on-one package, isn't it in your best interest to have a live group program as a second tier offer and then a self-study kind of program, a recorded course as a third tier offer? So then every consult you have, if they're a no to the one-on-one, you've got two other options at two different price points to help them. Like, oh, amazing, right? That's going to change your conversion rates on your consult calls. But we've got this health procrastination that keeps happening. So something happened recently to me. I have a coach that keeps me in the forefront, keeps my head in the game, okay? And I think all of us need coaching, right? So if I'm expecting, anybody to let me lead them, I want them to know that I'm always staying in the forefront too. You guys do this too. That's why you study up on the newest labs and what's happening. You stay in the forefront. Well, me too. And in that, I had an example that I wanted to share with you that can, I hope, stop this health procrastination that's happening, okay? Here's an example of how someone is going from, oh my gosh, I have a piece of knowledge. I have some knowledge that can help a whole bunch of people. And it's not time effective for me to serve it up to them one-on-one unless they pay me a super high price point. Okay, so my health coach went from, I want to offer all of my mindset techniques to all the people who need it. Okay, he went from that thought to putting together a checkout page. And then I want you to see what happens. Okay, so he went from thought, number one, thought. I have knowledge that I want to share with my people, with my audience, with my paying customers, everybody. I have a thought that I want to share my brilliance. You need to share your brilliance, okay? So pay attention. He had the thought, I have some knowledge I want to share with other people, okay? Instead of deciding, I'm going to build the program, I'm going to build the sales page, I'm going to create all the handouts, all of this laundry list of stuff that is going to slow down his success and also slow down how soon people will receive the information. Here's what he did, okay? I'm going to switch screen and show this to you, okay? He went and he put together a payment form, okay? So here, you're going to go ahead and take the money, okay? So he put together a payment form and now people can go ahead and throw down this $500. Great. Okay. You can throw down the $500 and you're going to get this awesome thing that he knows is going to keep your mindset in the game. Yay. And check this out. Here's what's genius. And this is what I hope inspires you not to procrastinate. Okay. Health procrastinate. I want you to see this after you buy. Check this out. I'm going to let me zoom in, like make the site page bigger. Okay. Check this out. Thank you. Your payment has been received. We're so excited for you. We'll email you by August 1st with access to the Mindset program. Do you know what that means? He had an idea that people need his mindset content, okay? He put together the order form. Great. Now that means it can take money. The thank you page simply says, awesome, like you're in. You're going to start getting this content on August 1st. You guys, right now, like at the day I'm filming this video, it's July 18th, okay? Which means he had the idea, he put up the order form. He's not even going to organize or deliver on it until August. Think about that. What does that do? That frees him up, okay? If nobody bought it and nobody's interested, he could always send a like, oh, so sorry, turns out there wasn't enough interest in this, here's your money back, and he didn't have to build something that nobody wanted, okay? Everybody wants it. Opposite example, everybody wants it. He's got tons of money coming in. He's got tons of interest, tons of people enrolled, and he's motivated to show up on that first, send out that first email with access to the first piece of content. And then he's going to deliver whatever you want, week over week, month over month. His is week over week, okay? I hope that helps you to end this funky habit that health pros have. And you guys, this is not an MD thing or an RN thing or a therapist thing. It's an all y'all thing, okay? So everybody from health coaches who just graduated to MDs who've been in their field for decades and they know better, right? Like everybody on the I want to serve people with their health, everybody on that spectrum has some form of this health procrastination happening. I hope that you can let this be an inspiration that when you have a feeling, when your soul is called to provide access to some of your brilliance, then put up an order page. Put up an order page and send people directly to that order page. Okay, no complicated funnels. Like you could just give them this in chat, right? You could just do a post and then, hey, if you're interested, DM me this word, right? If you DM me this word, you can automate it. Okay, comment below if you want help with that. But listen, you can just say, DM me this word and I'll send you the details. And then you can send all those people the details. The details are going straight to the, you might even give them a little description in chat or whatever, go straight to the order form. Yay, they buy. The thank you page says, awesome, we don't start until a month from now, 2 months from now, whatever it is, okay? They saw value in you and being able to tap into a little of your brilliance. You guys, this is money that is sitting on the table that is simply another way to leverage your expertise, how much you care, what you want to give to the world. Leverage that, right? Leverage it and let more people benefit from your knowledge, how much you care, and your expertise, okay? It doesn't all have to happen one-on-one. Your online group programs don't have to be perfectly produced and amazingly, have tons of gorgeous handouts and stuff like that. And then your DIY programs, certainly same thing, okay? Now, if you make tons of money off those and you want to bring in other people to add fancy video editing and fancy stuff, like, yay. But like, I just threw down $500 for something I'm not even going to get access to until sometime in August. And I already know the transformation that I invested in started for me because I was willing to do it. And it's the same for the people who need access to your expertise. As soon as they say, yes, I want some of this health expert's knowledge, they're already investing in their health. They're already moving towards what you're going to help them with. Okay. So no more health procrastination. Okay. You're a health pro. People want you. Stop the crastination piece, okay? If this is helpful for you, if you need more input about how to make this happen and how to make it fast, if you want in our practitioner only mastermind, like comment below and reach out to me, okay? I don't do these videos for me. I'm doing all right, okay? These videos are for you. These videos are because I was helping big name health professionals and I didn't know it. But the health practitioner locally, she's up here in La Jolla, who helped me, she was struggling financially. Now, thank God I saw her like sweating bullets and not looking so good, and I asked her. But my mission, because I went through the experience of like, oh my God, I'm spending my whole company is focused on helping these big name health people, when my own doctor, someone right here locally, doesn't get it. Like they don't get how to profit from their expertise, from their knowledge, how much they care. Yeah, over my dead body. That's not happening. That's when we brought HealAtScale to market to help all of you guys. Okay. So if there's something that you need more of, if you need me to go in more detail on something, like raise your hand and say, yes, I need this, comment, and I'll reach out back to you. And let's get you the help that you need to heal at scale. All right. If this is helpful, make sure to subscribe. Make sure if you have peers who are suffering from from burnout, that you share this content with them. And until then, I hope you're doing well. I acknowledge you for everything that you do in the world, and I will see you in the next video.